Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell stickers on Redbubble in 2025. Stickers are one of the most popular and profitable products on the platform, and getting started is easier than you think. So first of all, you need to come on redbubble.com, click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you need to basically sign up at Redbubble and log in into your account. Now once your account is ready, simply click on your account, then go to your account settings. Over here you need to complete your artist profile, like you need to provide your cover page and your image and payment details, tax information, so that you can start earning here. After that, you need to design your stickers artwork. For that, we can use Canva. You need to come on Canva here and then click on the create option in the left hand section. Click on the custom size, and here you need to select the width as 2800 and the height also should be 2800. So this would be the recommended size for stickers. So once you are on this page, you just have to hover over to the left hand section and click on elements. Over here you can use the pre-made stickers that are here in Canva. Like if you have any theme, you can select the type of theme that you want to add, or you can just add these types of stickers and you can adjust it like this on this page. So once you are done creating your stickers design just like so, you need to click on the share option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Click on the download option and download the JPG or PNG file over here. Make sure that you select the transparent background so that you could get the transparent version of your stickers. So once your artwork is downloaded, now is the time to add it in your designs. For that, once you click on your profile icon and once you are in this page, click on the dashboard option. Now click on the add designs option, select upload new work, and here you need to upload the stickers that you have created. Over here you need to provide the title of your stickers. For example, let's say cute cat sticker pack, or you can provide anything else here. Then you need to provide the relevant tags, the titles and the description. Then you need to write an SEO friendly description. You need to scroll down to the product list and you need to add it on stickers. Set the background color if needed, and you need to enable the stickers here. There may be any problem while uploading this particular image, so I'm gonna upload the second one. So once you do this, you need to just turn it on by default, and uh, you need to double check everything is correct here. Once you are done, you need to scroll down, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on the save work option. So this way you will be able to sell stickers on Redbubble in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.